Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a different kind of a video where I'm going to go to a different kind of event. It's not a reading event, but it's a cool event and I want to document my experience. So as we all know, there's this cake event which happened in Europe, and my first thought while watching those reels was that I want to experience this. Couple of months later, my friend told me that there's this event happening in Mumbai and I wanted to attend it. So the tickets went on sale on a particular day that day, and I checked after 3 hours and the tickets were gone. And I was so disappointed that I could not get the tickets. So I was very sad. There were only few tickets left for the baking section. There were two sections basically, one for the bakers, one for the attendees. So you can either get a cake or you can just attend and have that cake. So there was that choice, and the tickets were available only for the bakers section. So I was contemplating that should I go for the baker's thing so that I can actually attend it and make a cake and make an amateur cake. But then my friend told me that is the organizers put a story that they might be adding number of attendees and you can get a ticket for that. So I decided to wait, patiently wait. And when they told ke हाँ इस day पे इस time पे the tickets will go live again, I was waiting for it. Me, my sister, we were ready to grab the tickets, and those tickets were sold out in like 10 minutes. It was that crazy. They've said that there are more than 100 cakes, so I don't know how it's going to go. We're gonna go there now, and I'm gonna document whatever I can. And you can tell that I have waited so long for this event that I am excited to go there. So I'm ready. Let's go. So I'm back from the event and I want to share my experience. So we were given 4 minutes to take a stroll and look at all the creations, all the cakes, and to remember which cakes we want to try and get in our cake boxes. So they also provided some boxes and we could fill the boxes with the cakes. So for the actual cake dash, there were only 2 minutes and it was very less time, honestly. It was so difficult to go in each and every aisle and get cakes while everybody was there, right? So it was very chaotic and very difficult. So honestly, when we for everybody entered and they gave us some instruction that be gentle, be nice, don't touch the cake with your hands for obvious reasons. But there were only knives. So knife से कट करके बॉक्स में कैसे आएगा? So it was a very difficult thing. honestly, when they said 30 seconds left, I had only gotten like two slices, two to max three slices, and I was like, oh my god, मेरा पूरा box खाली है, 30 seconds बचा. Actually, for a second, I thought कि 30 seconds हुए हैं, but नहीं, 30 seconds बचे थे, so it was very difficult and very chaotic. Then I went. Actually, I had thought कि मुझे ये ट्राई करना है, ये ट्राई करना है, बट उधर तक मैं पहुंच ही नहीं पाती. So whatever was in front of me, I started getting those slices. I think I got 7 to 8 slices, I guess, which was a good thing. And me and my sister had a strategy, and we also had a friend there, so we all strategized that we would take one aisle each. मतलब मैं बीच में थी तो मैं दोनों साइड जाने वाली थी, so that we could get a lot of things, because एक साइड से दूसरे साइड जाने में बहुत टाइम जा रहा था, और वो जब हम स्ट्रोल ले रहे थे ना, when we were just seeing the cakes, it was very difficult to go from one side to other side. We decided to go just एक लाइन में ही जाके आएंगे ताकि जाने आने में टाइम ना लगे. We got to try some different cakes because of that. We didn't have any repeats, which was really good. We tried popcorn cake, then watermelon lychee cake. There were a lot of different things, and we tried a lot of different cakes, which I really enjoyed. Like, there were some unique flavors, and I enjoyed those. And then there were some different stations where you could there were some food stations as well, like you could get coffee, and there were other things as well, which I didn't really get because it was after 6 p.m. So I didn't want to have a coffee after that. But there were chips which go very well with cakes. So we tried some chips. There were some unique flavors, and I really liked those. And then there were some stations where you could do some different activities. Also, there were Love 15's macarons. They are very famous for their macarons, and those were delicious. You should definitely try their macarons. Then finally, let's talk about what I got. I made a bookmark. I know it's very difficult to see white background. I think white background पे को अच्छा दिख रहा है, but they are looking really good when we put them in the book itself, which we tried घर आने के बाद तुरंत because my sister is reading right now. So I made this. Then I also made another one, and there was a charm station as well. So what I did was I got a bookmark and I attached the charm to it itself. So now I have a perfect memory, and there's a cute cake charm. So we have those two. My sister also made I think my sister made this bookmark. Super cute. And she also made a couple of charms. Then they also gave us tote bags to color. There were coloring stations as well to color them, but we didn't really color them because utna time nahi tha. But we have two of these, like one for me, one for my sister. And last but not the least, they also gave us these cookbooks to each and every person, everybody who attended, and it's so pretty one. It's a cookbook, so it's a book, so I had to get it. I mean, we didn't buy it, they gave us, so we have two of these as well. It was honestly very fun, very chaotic, very thrilling, and it's my kind of event. So I enjoyed it a lot, and my sister had a great time as well. We are stuffed with different cakes and chips, and we had the best evening. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you want me to document my such different experiences. I would love to do that. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.